welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to the Chao Tien Thi Street. We will walk now from here, Grammar Vuong, where I ate another banh mi again, all the way back to the An Tsung area, where Marcus will have his favorite banh mi. We also did a video about that on our German channel now. But if you want to check out banh mi in English, I already did that on my English channel as well. But the banh mi's are still great here, phenomenal.
But all the locations, you did it in a Google Maps guide, right?
Exactly.
Oh yeah, this is what I remember.
Yes. So don't forget to get a Google Maps guide. Look at this. So much more flags out there now. I think because there's an event coming on soon, this year. I think they're gonna have, the government will have a meeting or something, and then they talk about everything. At least that's what I heard from locals here. So I think that's why there's even more flags now out again. Look at this Belgian waffle bar.
I've been there once.
Okay.
And this is new. I can tell you, this is new.
New building?
Yeah, this is a new construction.
Wow. Wondering what's gonna be over there.
It looks like apartments.
Look at this. The year of the horse. We are coming up. Look at this, a vegan buffet.
Yeah.
Yes, that was. Germans are everywhere, but he's living here since 5 years or so. Long time. Check this out. They gutted out this whole apartment. Not sure what they're doing. Renovate or just taking it down. It's another hipster coffee shop here. Huh. I love those little alleyways. They're so charming, right?
And so quiet.
And even though this is a very local area now, lots of tourists are here too. I think this is the busiest January I've experienced. And I heard it a lot now. I also know the reason why it is the influx right now, already in December as well, which is also what is it called? Unconventional. Yeah.
Yes, my English skills.
Look at this is for rent.
Oh, failed business.
Oh, downstairs was a business, true. Last time we filmed here, there was a business downstairs. Okay. This also looks pretty fancy. But what I want to say is, lots of people come here from Thailand now who are not able to do the visa runs with the visa exemptions anymore. Then they come now to Da Nang actually, because I think if you look into Thailand, what is the closest? It's like Da Nang from the yeah, and it is not so city. It's like the best beach alternative in my opinion. I'm wondering if Nha Trang has the same, or if it's just here. I assume there's going to be more and more, because how many people did Thailand turn down? I think 2,000 or 3,000 in the first month, and I think it's going to be even more until people get a proper visa for Thailand. And it could also happen here at any time too. So if you want to stay here longer, you gotta think about a solution, and because it's just a matter of time whenever you cannot do the visa runs here anymore, in my opinion. It's just a matter of time. At some point, they will have enough, and then they will just say, you know what? I don't think it's gonna be in the next few years, but at some point, they will have some.
Isn't it? It's better to be prepared.
Prepared, exactly. Yeah. So you better get a wife now. Look at this. They never opened and now they changed the name. That's so sad. So that they told us, big Buncha Hanoi. We were happy. And they never opened. Now it's called Roy. Maybe. I don't know. Rem. Very disappointing, sadly. We really want to have more Buncha places. Look at this. Does it mean gom? Like rice? Rice apartments? And the Wind Mart. So many C classes here. We're gonna walk by even more. You will see. It's very interesting. I guess all the Hanoians coming and checking out on their property. This neighborhood is basically Little Hanoi, to be honest. We know so many people also from Hanoi who owns things there. I would call it Little Hanoi. And you also see all the time the Hanoi number plates in this neighborhood. It's parking. Very interesting, guys. But the one thing is missing from Hanoi. Their food. I feel like you need somewhere a proper buncha place with oh wow, what the hell. You need a proper buncha place where the charcoal grill non-stop. Non-stop. You need to smell it everywhere. This is what Da Nang needs, a proper one. Like they have it in Hanoi everywhere. But I don't know if they are allowed to barbecue here on the street or not sure. But if you can have motorbikes there, why not do barbecue? Buncha is always. It's important for everyone. We're gonna take a stroll now to Two Ladies Kitchen and check out Marcus's favorite tuna sandwich, or banh mi, better. It's weird to say tuna banh mi because I don't think it's a normal thing. But yeah, it's a tuna banh mi.
Oh, it's the best.
But he loves it. Tuna banh mi from Two Ladies Kitchen, or Two Sisters Kitchen, or something like that.
I think it's too late.
Oh, Two Ladies, okay. It's not that good to walk here, so you have to walk on the street. So pavement-wise, I mean, we could actually. I just don't try it. Let's try. Let's try. Maybe it works.
Like a parkour.
Parkour, yeah. You gotta have a nice little stretch before you walk here. And if you're tall, this is my height. You gotta also duck down. Buncha. I don't see. Huh. If I don't smell buncha, it's not buncha. You gotta smell it. You gotta people non-stop preparing buncha. This is the way to go. This is also the way to the beach. So this is the Do Ba Street. D-O, new word, B-A. Do Ba Street, also a very important street. You can basically go here from the beach to the river. It's one, I mean, I don't know what it is after the big main road, but hypothetically you can just walk the whole way to the river. We still have to try out this izakaya sushi. I really hope it's good. I really hope it's good.
It's closed.
At the moment, yeah.
O'clock.
Maybe they only open it in the evening. Hair salon,
Completely new.
50% off, discount, okay. Got a motorbike rental here.
I think this is the best place to have a coffee. On the
Little
street.
Hanoi?
Yeah, on the balcony.
Oh yeah, true. It's a great spot to sit and people watch.
Yeah.
I'm the king of the castle. Yeah, it's a great new building, new coffee shop. Yeah. And this is a funny thing, right? Little Hanoi And this is the little Hanoi area. This whole neighborhood, right? So my wife is from Hanoi and she talked with so many people here and they said, oh yeah, all our neighbors, all the owners are from Hanoi. So it fits perfectly. All right, let's go.
Yes. Well, I can tell you, the sun is hot. And
Very hot. We gotta walk in the shade, guys.
it's super strong.
Even though it's not super hot, if you are in the shade, it's not super hot. This is a difference between now and in the summertime. Check this out. They put out those, it's very good. So people don't walk against it. It's still dangerous. It's very dangerous. And I don't know. It's just a matter of time until something bad happens, and then they will probably have very strict rules. Imagine a tourist dies on the street walking against something. It's gonna
He's going by the bicycle.
bicycle, yeah.
Yeah.
Just a matter of time. Let's try out to walk a little bit side streets here to avoid the sun. This is the Antung 30th Street. There's a buncha place now. I don't know, it's not open yet. I mean, every time I walk by, it's not open. I hope they're open now. It's also interesting. They completely demolished this one building and they did not build anything yet. Maybe they demolished it to sell it because it's maybe easier to sell if it's no house on it. Hello. So somewhere here there should be a buncha place, but
These are up high.
but are they open? It doesn't look like open. I mean, they have, but it still looks closed.
Can you say billboard or it's just a sign?
I think it's a sign. I think
Okay.
billboard is something like
Bigger?
that. Or let me know in the comments, guys. You will tell us anyways. I know that. It's funny. I always get either way the English
Yeah.
correct me, the Americans, and then they fight.
Oh, like they did in the
I remember the one English. Let's walk the sneaky route. Yeah, shout out to Pete. I remember he said, "Don't you let a Yankee tell you what English means," or something like that. I absolutely love it. And then maybe the Canadians coming in too, you know. And then the Aussies, the Australians don't speak English at all.
You had
I mean,
You had a brawl.
okay, so this here. Now I got a big topic here. Trash bins. Oh no, trash cans, trash bin. So I heard from England now, they don't call it trash. Trash is only Americans.
Yeah.
They call it rubbish.
Yes. It's,
Rubbish. And it's a rubbish bin.
it's
Okay.
the same how the English people pronounce water. They say
Water.
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 They say don't water. They say water.
Okay, so what is the German word for that?
Mülltonne.
Mülltonne. So it's basically trash, tonne. It's not a can, it's a little bit bigger. Tonne. It's okay. Maybe we should all, dear Americans, dear English, dear Australians, dear Canadians, let's call it Mülltonne.
Yeah.
Let's do it like
and
this.
then we don't have to fight.
Then you don't have to
So,
fight.
the
In
problem
German
is
there's
solved.
a strict, a normal word, and it is means Mülltonne.
Yeah.
It's for Müll.
Like here. Very much Mülltonne.
Rubbish. Oh, Marcus, look at this rubbish over there.
But it's a lot of waste.
Waste and rubbish and trash. No, we don't do trash, right? Okay, Aussies, how do you call it?
Probably different.
They call it something crazy. I'm pretty sure the Aussies have a crazy term for it. The Canadians probably have something French to it as well. I gotta ask Francois.
They have a sophisticated word for it.
Yeah.
Leftovers or something.
No, but they. I mean, the Canadians they always also say pardon me. They don't say excuse me or huh. So Germans only can do one thing. Huh? I think Vietnamese and German speak one language if it comes to don't understand something. Huh? Huh?
And also the facial expression. Huh?
Maybe that's the thumbnail. Exactly. So Vietnamese and Germans have the same word. Huh? While Canadians have pardon me. This is like, or when they say too often a. The Canadians always say a to everything afterwards. But yeah.
I think the Americans, they have these. Excuse me.
Yeah. Excuse me. No. This is a little bit too much.
Yeah?
Excuse me. Oh. Pardon me. No, pardon me is Canadian. Maybe the sophisticated Americans have pardon me as well. Or how would you say it, guys? Comment below. Yeah, or I think the Americans they would say something like this: "Get out the way. I got the Second Amendment." Or it's gonna be over. Best Turkish kebab. Still not open, sadly. We tried out another one yesterday. A Turkish restaurant. And his name Öztürk. He looks like a proper Turkish guy. He also did the cutting and everything yesterday.
Yeah,
It tasted good, but it was, for me personally, too few meat in there. Or like the kebab was too small for me. I think if you are small eater, you could go there. Öztürk. It's nice. The meat was great, but it missed a little bit, in my opinion.
Yeah.
But maybe it's because the quality of the meat is better.
Yeah, quality-wise, I would say
Yeah.
it was good.
All right, look at this. How many people sitting there?
Ooh la la. This is the two ladies' kitchen.
Two ladies' kitchen. All right. Should we sit here?
Yes, well, let's sit there.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Antung 4 street, where also the banh mi is. We're gonna walk to the next onto the beach. And thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.